Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply get yourself a PEPE coin on your wallet or on any exchange platform you might want to possess it in. Our first step is going to be opening up the Google Chrome or whatever browser you make use of. Once it's opened, we're looking at the PEPE price, we're looking at the PEPE token, which ranks number 45 on coinmarketcap.com currently, or as at the day of production of this video. Once you simply scroll down, we take a look at the price impact of the PEPE token. It's gone up by 42.16%. And once you scroll down till you get to the market where we can purchase or possess this PEPE coin, if you take a look at the centralized exchange, Binance is now a partner or a sponsor for getting yourself the PEPE, and so is KuCoin and so is OKX. So you could make use of any of these platforms. So let's say we want to use Binance. You simply open up your Binance application like so. Make sure you possess some cryptocurrency on it, or you could simply use the deposit icon here and deposit some cryptocurrency. But without that, you simply click on convert and convert your USDT into PEPE. So you search for PEPE, whatever cryptocurrency asset you might possess. For me, it's USDT, so we work with PEPE. Our next step is $1. Click on preview conversion and click on convert. Once you've done that, you would then process the PEPE coin on your wallet. So for the decentralized exchange, that's non-government oriented exchanges, we have Uniswap version 3, and we have PancakeSwap. So if you were to open up your MetaMask or whatever wallets you use for these exchanges, whatever wallet you might need, make sure you possess some Ethereum, seeing as the PEPE coin is on the Ethereum network. The hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen is where you use to get your browser. And once you've opened your browser, we're going to be looking for, or rather we're going to be looking to get to uniswap.org. So we're going to be opening up Uniswap. Make sure your wallet is connected by clicking on the connect wallet option. Click on wallet connect, MetaMask just once. I click on connect, and I guess that's all. As you can see here, our wallet is currently connected. Our balance shows up, and you simply search for the coin you're looking for, which is PEPE. And then you click on PEPE, and then you enter the amount of Ethereum you're willing to use for this transaction, which is 0.01 or 0.01. Fetching the best price for PEPE right now, 703,000. So if you were to simply click on swap, as you can see, the gas fee is $24. Click on swap, click on confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. And once the confirmation comes up, this is the data. You'd need some extra Ethereum. But yeah, guys, that's how you can simply get yourself a PEPE coin. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.